Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Business Tells. This is the story of a successful Pakistani businessman, Sikandar Sultan, the founder of Shan Masala. How a company that started from a single room grew to reach more than 60 countries around the world. You'll find out everything in this video. Sikandar Sultan was born in 1955 in Karachi. He belonged to a business-oriented family, and perhaps that's why he had a strong interest in business from a young age. When he was in ninth grade, he developed a passion for photography. He not only learned photography himself, but also started teaching it to other children in the neighborhood. Getting regular work at such a young age was no small feat. Although his father was a wealthy businessman, Sikandar always wanted to achieve something on his own. Time passed, he laid the foundation of his first business, while he was still in 12th grade. Sikandar started a fruit business called Heaven's Fruit Basket, selling mixed fruit baskets for just 10 rupees. Though the business didn't last long, the failure taught him valuable lessons in entrepreneurship. At the same time, Sikandar was also learning photography and filmmaking. He had a dream of opening his own advertising company in the future. But in 1981, one idea changed his life. Sikandar thought, why not start a traditional Pakistani spice business? This idea came from the homemade spice blends prepared by his grandmother. With the name of Allah, Sikandar started his new venture from a small room in his own house. He named the company Shan Foods. His wife supported him in the work. Together, the couple would prepare the spices at home, and then Sikandar would personally deliver them to different areas of Karachi. People started to love the taste of his spices. As time went on, orders began to grow, and the business expanded so much that it was no longer possible to prepare the spices at home. Sikandar began searching for a larger space for his work. To expand his business, he needed a significant amount of money. He could have asked his father for financial help, but he chose not to. Instead, he started selling his personal belongings, even letting go of his filmmaking equipment. With the collected amount, he rented a small place where he began large-scale spice production. This was in 1983, and slowly his company started spreading across the country. After 5 years of hard work, Shan Foods became one of Pakistan's leading brands. But Sikandar Sultan's journey of success didn't stop there. In the next few years, Shan Masala began reaching international markets, including Saudi Arabia, the USA, and 22 other countries. By 2004, Shan Foods products were available in over 100 countries. Today, Sikandar Sultan is not just the owner of Shan Food Industries, but also owns Rani Foods, a UK-based company. Behind the success of Shan Masala lies 44 years of dedication and hard work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Business Tells for more business story and insights. See you next time.